Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Sri Nagi, Ayurveda and Medicine Doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video, I am going to talk about the new COVID variant, that is Omicron. Actually about these variants will keep coming. Today this, tomorrow this, next day something else, next day something else. Because whenever somewhere pandemic comes, it doesn't go just quickly, it came and it will come and it will go. It never happens like this. It is just some new variants keep coming, and eventually we all develop immunity against them. So in short, the most important thing where we need to pay attention is how to gain natural immunity. So when I say natural immunity, that means we need to work on ourselves. For some time we need to take certain precautions so that our natural immunity will remain strong, and this immunity will not get impacted by any kind of viruses. These viruses in Ayurveda, they are known as Jivanu, and some microbes have been discovered, some have not been discovered yet. So it is just like variants of these viruses will keep coming. But the thing that we can do or we need to pay attention is how to gain our natural immunity so that we have enough strength to fight against any virus or any infection. That means there are certain things that we need to do which we are doing for last year and last to last year, that is wearing mask, keeping social distancing, maintaining hygiene. These things already we are doing, and we are already using natural herbs, natural tonics, Ayurveda to enhance our immunity last year and last to last year and throughout years, those who follow Ayurveda. So let's see how Ayurveda will help us to gain our natural immunity. Regarding this coronavirus, I already have created 2 or 3 videos. So you please go through my channel and see what are the things that I have mentioned that are from Ayurveda, which we can use to fight against these infections, to enhance our immunity and how to strengthen ourselves. So today's video is specifically about Omicron, or specifically about those virus variants from which we need to protect ourselves. So first and foremost thing for natural immunity that comes is, first try to understand what virus is. Virus is an airborne infection. That means it travels through air. And what is the source of air in our body? That is our nose. So in nose there is a natural protection, like inside our nose there are hair, there is mucosal lining which trap all the germs, which don't let anything enter directly into our respiratory system. But here we need to strengthen our mucosal membrane. How we can do it? We can use any oil, that is coconut oil or sesame oil or almond oil, but it should be of organic origin. Just take your small finger, put a linen cloth around it and just tap in oil and just inside your nostrils little, here and here. If we are oiling our nostrils just like this, it will strengthen your mucosal layer. When we strengthen our mucosal layer, that means its ability to trap these microorganisms will get enhanced. It will provide the natural immunity according to Ayurveda to your nasal mucosa or this nasal membrane. As you know, these days is winter season, and in winter season our throat is always at danger. There is always a probability of having infection in your throat. So what you can do, and in addition to that there is virus in the atmosphere, so what you can do, you can take warm water. In warm water you put little pinch of turmeric and half teaspoon of Himalayan salt, that is called Sandhav Laman, and do gargling in the morning, empty stomach, not after food, because after food if you do gargles all the food will come out. So you need to do it empty stomach in the morning when you get up. You need not to engulf this water, not to drink inside, but kept it in mouth, do gargle and spit it out. Like this you need to do gargling. This will help to remove all the bacteria, unnecessary bacteria unnecessary toxins that got deposited in your throat, or unnecessary harmful things that are there in atmosphere that enter through breathing in our throat and get trapped there. It will help to remove this. So, it is an easy way of throat cleansing. You can do it by your own, but do it consciously, don't do it while talking to someone or when your attention is somewhere else. Make sure when you are doing it, pay proper attention to it. And in case if you get scared like water went inside, so even if water go inside, there is nothing bad in it, because we are using all the natural ingredients, that is Himalayan salt and turmeric, which is very natural, and even it goes inside, it will not harm you, but it is better to spit it out. This is the best way of doing gargling. After finishing this gargling, clean your mouth with warm water.